my love, please. Hey, I just want the ground. Hey, my love, please. Please.
Come here.
Come here! I'm sorry.
You're sorry for you want me to slap your eye. Shut up.
I'm sorry, it's painful.
Hold this. Hold this. I did not say wear it, I said hold it.
Okay.
Hold it well.
Oh, okay.
Now, shut up, you man.
Okay.
Talk. Put your head down. Now, you will go to the palace. You will go and fetch firewood.
Oh, I will fetch 100 firewood. 400 firewood.
And fetch water.
I will fetch them.
You heard me?
Yes.
Go.
Okay.
Fast.
Hey! Move!
My friends, the love of my life, my betrothed, the only man that I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Your turn would be in the next 3 days. I would call my guys to come and call you when I need you. Do not come when I don't call for you.
But my prince...
No but! I knew you were going to say something. Now leave.
My prince, you gave my turn to Amoge. I have 2 days to be with you.
Now get out!
My prince... I enjoyed it. I only want to go home and come back in 1 hour time.
I said get out!
What did you just call me?
Chekum.
My name is not Chekum. My name is Chekube. That's my name.
Oh. Chekum means you are mine. And you are mine.
I am not yours and I can never be yours. Please excuse me.
Wait.
Don't you ever try it again.
My prince, this is not nice. I am with you, you should at least regard me.
Hey! If you do not like what I did, then you leave.
That's not what I am saying. You are disrespecting me. You don't even know this maiden. She just came here a few days ago to stay with her grandmother. You don't know her.
That is what I want. This is what I want. Fresh leaf. Huh? If you do not like it, then you leave. You take your fruit and leave.
You don't know what I am saying. At least you should respect me.
Dad, give her a fruit. Drop the fruit. Take the fruit and leave.
I'm in love with him. I cannot help myself. It's not my fault that I'm falling in love with the wrong man. I can't stay away from him. I can't stay away from him.
Just because of the money he gives you after sleeping with you,
No,
isn't it?
No, it's not about the money. I love him naturally, please.
It's a lie. The love you claim you have for him, once he stops giving you money, everything will disappear. For me, I'm there because of the money, nothing else.
At first, when he spoke, I was thinking he's a reasonable person. Not knowing he's just there for the sex. Me, I'm just there because the prince spends money on little things, nothing much.
Thank you very much, Amuche. The same with me. I'm there because of the money. Because what kind of man would treat women like that? Eh? And you expect me to love him? For what? I'm just there because of the money, nothing else.
Let us teach him a lesson.
At least said you loved him.
Yes, I love him, but
Now you're talking because I don't understand. Somebody that can easily sleep with another woman in front of you.
it's not about that. It's not even about that. A lot.
What is it?
Tell us.
My prince! My love! Wait now!
My love, what happened? I didn't see you again. I've been looking for you all around the village.
And what sort of question is that?
You abandoned me. You abandoned our love. Take me inside that hut. Let's go and do one.
Hey! The next time you stop me,
I'm not nice. Everybody will hear. Let's go.
I said, the next time you stop me to say this kind of nonsense, I will rape you.
Eh?
Rape you till you die.
This time. Sorry, that you.
I said leave. Leave.
Please now. What do you do? Wait!
It is my prince. Was any of the maidens here?
No, my prince. None was here. My prince, in an hour time, the king will want to see you.
So, is that Okunta coming? See, what is he going to do? Let's just say take it be.
Greetings, beautiful maidens of our land.
Greetings, Okunta. Okay.
Amoge,
Yes.
a prince wants to see you.
Okay. Tell him I will be there shortly.
Don't keep the prince waiting.
So after the humiliation, he still has the guts to send for Amoge.
We are indeed fools. How can we allow one man shuffle us?
I was there because I felt he was going to marry me.
Amoge. Are you sure you want to see the prince?
You were when Okunta came and told him that he wants to see me. I need to honor his invitation.
Honestly, this humiliation is too much. It's just too much. What is all this?
Imagine the insult. Imagine the insult. He will ask for you today. Tomorrow he wants me. The next day he wants Amuche. What's the meaning of this? It's too much. You can't take this.
We need to deal with him. Let us come up with something. Very fast.
How? Palm wine.
Uchechi, are you sure?
I'll be back. I need to engineer this, alright? Just wait for me.
Just hold on, we'll be back.
Uchechi, are you sure about this?
I'll be back. Don't worry. I'm coming.
Just wait here.
Uchechi. Honestly, I'm just tired. I'm tired. This humiliation is too much.
Where are you going to?
Looking for you, of course. I waited and waited, but I didn't see you.
This, I got it for you.
Thank you. Huh? Thank you. Let's go to my hut.
No. My mother sent me an errand. I'll see you later.
Oh, no, my love, please. Please. Huh? Let's go to my hut. Let's have one round, please. One round.
My prince, I said I promise you. I'll come later in the evening to see you, please.
No, my love, I can't wait later. I can't wait for later. Let's just have one round, please, my love. You will like it. Huh? Let's just have. Yes, okay. Let's just have one round, please.
You have to hurry.
Yeah, let's go.
What is keeping Amugi now? It's not just to give him palm wine and come back.
Who knows if the prince wants us to stay back?
I don't understand. Is she a child? For what? Doesn't she know what she wants?
I hope this works out.
I hope too. But she's taking too long.
Don't worry, it will work. It will.
Is she coming? But you don't see her. She's not coming. I'm okay. What happened? Why is your face like this?
Did you not accept your wine? Talk to us. What happened?
He poured it away.
Hey!
Oh, why?
It's a lie.
I'm okay.
He accepted it, but he has not drank it.
What do you expect? She expected him to take it in your presence. See, as far as he accepted it, we are good to go.
I was so scared. I'm happy.
This life is a journey.
You like it, right? Yes, of course. The palm wine is sweet. Yes. Where did you get this from?
It was given to me by my love, Amoge.
Who? Amoge. My prince.
Are you okay? Prince, I hope no problem. Amoge, your love.
Yeah. Wait! Hey! What are you doing? Hey! Stop this! Hey! Please! What is happening? You want to...
No, my friend. What just happened?
Hey! Prince! What is happening to you?
I don't know. I don't know what happened.
Hey!
No, wait.
No! It's not she, something, no! Shh. Hey!
It's not me. I don't know what happened.
Please, just calm down. Calm down.
My friend. I don't know what happened.
This life is a journey. Life is a lesson we learn every day. Sometimes it treats us well, sometimes it treats us bad. Oh. Life is a journey. Everybody
My prince! My prince!
I don't know what happened. What happened?
You wanted to rape me! You wanted to rape me!
Hey! No, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened.
Ewo, you don't know what happened! My prince!
Are you sure this thing is going to work?
It's going to work. It will work, Uchechi.
Are you very, very sure?
I am very sure. My prince!
My prince, are you okay?
Oh,
My prince. Okay. My prince, what's happened to you?
oh.
My prince!
My prince.
My love.
My prince, we have to leave now.
I'm willing for this to happen. But my prince, who amongst us do you want? Me? Amogi Amuchi.
My prince,
It's you. You are the sweetest of them all.
my prince, we have to leave.
My prince.
Huh?
My prince. May thunder strike you, say
I'll
you say.
you to the prince of the manor. Hey, leave. Do not hit her. I know.
May thunder strike you then, see?
He's so dumb.
It's so sweet.
Leave. I'm sorry.
Oh my lord. My prince, you want me?
Yes, I need you.
My prince.
Oh, I need you.
Uchechi is not available.
What about you?
Waka je.
I want you.
Waka. Waka je.
Hey, it is disturbing me too much. You I want. It is disturbing me. What am I doing?
My prince. Come and take. You're my prince. Please come and take.
Hey, get you.
I'm okay. What is it? I'm okay.
What is the problem? Did you see? When we followed the prince, what we did is not just for humans. He was chasing dogs, goats, animals, anything. No, that's not the plan.
Wait, is that why your face is like this? That's why you're worried. I even want to see more. I want to watch more.
Uchechi, can you just shut up? Why are you this heartless?
Heartless to him alone. I don't understand. Why are you sympathizing with him? See, we really need to see how this charm will work on him. Just relax.
Uchechi, what more do you want? What else do you want to see? Can't you see? He craves for anything as long as humans are not available for him. Please, that is not the plan, please.
Then if it's about bringing it out, he regains himself. So he's still on the process. See, we need to relax. Let's watch more. Let's see how this charm will work.
Then go and meet him so you will see for yourself.
You are mad. You're very stupid. Why will you say that? Eh?
Hey.
Someone that prays for goats, pigs. Respect yourself.
You're heartless.
Let me go and look for the prince. Maybe he's praying for a dog or fowl. I'm coming.
Are you sure this guy is not a witch?
Uchechi. Hey, Uchechi is heartless. She's heartless.
Hey, I did not know. I would have not joined though. Hey.
What? Why are you shouting my name like that?
The prince is dying. He needs your help. He has been calling your name. The prince is dying.
Wait, no,
run.
Okay, let's go. Please. What happened to you?
I know. I'm fine.
I was told you are dying.
Oh, I am fine. I just want one round.
What?
I want to have you.
Huh? You're not okay. What happened? I should be asking you what happened. What did you do?
Okay, no, just sit. Let's talk.
We need to undo it.
Never. I don't like weaklings as friends.
We need to undo whatever we have done to the prince. That is my take.
When that stupid idiot was busy sleeping with all the maidens.
Did he force you? No. We accepted him because of his money. How do people think he will feel by the time he realizes himself? Oh, the king can actually control the area more and our names will be mentioned. We should go and undo it. We need to go and undo it. Please.
We're not doing it. What is wrong with you? What is the meaning of this, Chekube? Meaning of what? I asked you. Meaning of what? So this is what you can come up with? Excuse you? Excuse you? So this is what you can come up with? You useless fools. This is what you can come up with? You better watch your utterances. Else, you have us to contend with. You will do nothing. You see what you have done to the prince? You see what you have done? You better go and undo it. And don't you ever in your entire lives try it again, else I will report you to the king. You heard me? Stupid fools. Get out! We have to deal with her.
I am not dealing with anybody. Let us undo whatever we have done to the prince.
What is wrong with her?
Namdi. Namdi. No.
And what are you doing in my house?
My friend, I am sorry for what happened the other day. I didn't know what came over me. Huh? I haven't seen you in the palace since then. So I decided to come see you and apologize to you. I am sorry, my friend. Please, forgive me.
Your apology is accepted. Oh. But I hope you won't try that nonsense again.
I won't. I am sorry. It's okay.
Today I would love to take a fresh palm wine from your house.
I know you love palm wine. That's my favorite drink.
I know you're kind.
No problem. No problem.
My prince,
Yes?
look at your maidens.
Why is he looking at us like that? Are you sure he hasn't found out what we did to him?
Why is she running?
My prince, is it not obvious that you don't remember your act towards them? Maybe you have wanted to rape them like the way you wanted to rape me.
Oh, my friend. Be serious. This is not funny. First, I need to know what happened to me. And also the cause.
First of all, you need to apologize to those maidens and every other maiden you have attempted to rape.
Oh, Namdi. How do you expect me to know them all? Huh? What I would have done to myself because of a man. A man.
I have to go to Mochu to stay with my uncle for the meantime.
I'll go with you.
No, don't go with me. Go to your own uncle's house.
I don't have any uncle.
Hey! Now you're scared. You're scared. Hey, Chimo, look at my life.
Get up. I am the one to say sorry.
Huh?
Yes, but I do not know what happened to me. Get up, please. Get up.
Hey.
Stand up.
Hey.
Stand up.
My prince, what really happened to you? The other day you were chasing us.
Exactly my point. I don't know what happened. But I am fine now. Yes, I am fine now.
You're fine now.
I am fine.
You're fine?
Yes.
Prince, I really missed you. I missed you, my prince. Oh, my prince, can you just, let's go to your heart. What? Relax. Prince, just take me to your heart, please.
Okay.
It's my turn today. Let's just go to your heart, my prince.
Uchechi. Hey! Hey! Won't that day say shall never end? Did you see what Uchechi just did? Did you see? Eh?
Amoge, you need to be happy that the prince did not find out what we did. And I pray he never finds out. Now we have one person to sort out.
One person?
Yeah. Who? Chikube. She knows about what we did to the prince.
I am here talking about something very important. I am talking about one thing or another.
See, everybody's talking about what is important to them. Me, I'm talking about the prince. I can't afford to lose the prince. Not now.
Then suit yourself.
What is wrong with everybody? Everybody's just acting as if they don't want the prince. Especially Uche. Now she has followed the prince. Even this one. Me, I'm going to go and fight the prince. I want him. It's important to me.
Anyone home? Anyone home? Is anyone home? Greetings.
I hope there's no problem.
The prince demands your presence.
You want to see me now?
Yes, you have to come with me.
Give me a few moments. Okay, let's go.
Are you okay? Why are you crying?
Can I ask you a question?
Yes. Please, go on.
Why is your friend the prince is into so many women? Why is he going about promising so many ladies marriage same way he promised me?
My love. My beautiful one. Will you marry me?
Yes, I will marry you.
You marry me.
So happy! Yes, I'll marry you, my prince. The prince is promising so many maidens marriage, even my friends. Same way he promised me.
Oh, sorry about that. Stop crying. I don't want it to look as if I don't know or I'm not aware of what you're saying. But just give me some time. I'll talk to him about it. I'm so sorry about that. Stop crying. Just be calm.
Namdi, please. Can I discuss something with you later, maybe later today?
Fine. At all time, you can discuss with me. I'm there for you. Please, just be calm. Stop crying.
What was making you laugh?
No, it's really funny. It's really funny.
How is it funny?
It's funny, you know.
God, I'm not joking.
Okay. I understand what you say, but this is
You don't understand anything. Stop laughing. This is not funny.
look.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
No, you would really understand this.
I don't want to understand.
My prince, sorry I interrupted.
Okay. Is there any problem?
Just to have a word with you.
Okay. My love,
Hmm?
excuse us. Yeah?
Okay.
Thank you. Namdi. My friend, what seems to be the problem?
My prince, do you love Amogi?
Amoge. Amoge is the best among all maidens that I have been with. And I wish to marry her. I know I love Amoge, but she cannot satisfy the man in me.
So, in other words, what are you saying?
I do not understand. Why are you asking?
Because I am in love with Amogi.
What? In love with Amogi?
I beg to take my leave.
In love with my Amogi?
My prince, what did your friend just say that got you angry?
Nothing. I want to be left alone. I want to be left alone right now.
So you're saying I should go?
Right now.
This is exactly the same thing you tell other maidens. They should go. and you will call them later. It's not going to happen to me.
I will call you when I need you.
This is not what you promised me, remember? My prince. My prince.
This life is a journey, life is a lesson we learn every day. Sometimes it treats us well, sometimes it treats us bad. Oh. Life is a journey, everybody never can. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody is a saint. Mind the way you choose, friend. Not all love is true love. One never came alone. Life is a journey. Everybody never can. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody is a saint. Mind the way you choose, friend. Good and bad is everywhere. Life is a journey. Everybody never can. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody is a saint. Mind the way you choose, friends. Do you know we sleep and wake up with an enemy every day? Do you know?
What is the meaning of this?
I don't want my father to see you here.
You do not want your father to see me.
Yes.
I told you I've always wanted me to see your father.
That was then, not now. Someone else have asked for my hand in marriage.
Oh! Namdi, right? I see. I see!
Namdi has nothing to do with this. Please. Namdi has nothing to do with this. Anyways, we just planned it to see your reactions and to see if you will get jealous. I don't like the way you flirt around.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Are you in a relationship with Namdi?
No, my prince.
Are you in love with Namdi?
No, my prince. I am not. Namdi has nothing to do with this. Besides, nobody asked for my hand in marriage.
The last thing you will do is to lie to me.
My prince, I swear, nobody asked for my hand in marriage. Namdi has nothing to do with this. You know how much I love you, my prince. I don't like the way you treat me. Please.
Amogi, can you just hear yourself? Can you just hear yourself talk? How do you expect me to feel? Answer me! You know what? I am done. I am done with you.
My prince. Can you imagine? Instead of him to get angry, shout, yell at me, he just walked out on me. I'm going to get myself another man. My prince.
What's happening? Huh? She's not following me. The Amoge I know will follow me and beg me. Am I losing the maiden that I love? Am I losing the maiden that always brings gifts for me? Amoge, what's happening? She's not following me. Huh? I'm okay. My love. I am sorry. I am sorry. Forgive me. I love you. Sorry, man.
I love you too.
I am sorry. Don't cry again, huh? Rubin, don't cry. And smile for the prince. Smile for me.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Are you okay?
The prince.
What about the prince?
I saw him in my dream. He came to apologize to me in my dream. Does it mean he still loves me?
You already tagged me a bad person, so I really don't know what to say on this. But if you ask me, I will say let's forget about the prince.
But Nnamdi said he still loves me. I can see it in his face.
Yet he treats you like a piece of rag. We are not deceiving you. We have also left the prince. I just pray our Chi blesses us with a good man.
Yes, I know everybody's dream is to become king of this kingdom. But to which prince turned king? A humanizing prince? Someone that doesn't even appreciate his woman. A man like that would disrespect you in public.
I know what to do. But first, we must see Chekube.
For what? That one that went against our advice to flirt with the prince. We are not seeing her.
You cannot blame her. You cannot blame her at all. The prince is a very handsome man. Nobody can resist him. But my problem now is for her not to tell the people what we did in the past. Because I noticed she visits the palace often, like on daily basis.
That's the past tense. She won't do anything. She won't say anything.
If you ask me, I think I will see her. And together we can stop the prince from sleeping around.
What about other maidens?
We'll talk to them also.
I don't have that time, please.
Uchechi.
Is she okay?
Uchechi, we have to see Chekube.
We just have to.
Uchechi. Please, we need to see Chekube.
Yes.
Amogi,
Yes, Nnamdi.
listen to me. We had a plan. Why then did you disclose it? What kind of stupid love that you cannot hold your breath?
I am sorry. I am helpless. I'm in love with the prince. Love is just controlling me anyhow.
Love.
Yes.
After telling him the truth, what happened?
He walked out on me.
He walked out on you.
Yes.
Thank you for making me look stupid. Go and sort your differences with the prince. Suit yourself.
Nnamdi, I said I'm sorry. Please, will you help me to talk to the prince?
This life is a journey. Life is a lesson we learn every day. Sometimes it treats us well. Sometimes it treats us bad. Oh. Life is a journey. Everybody they work out. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody is a saint. Mind the way you choose, friend. Not all love is true love. One day more came alone. Life is a journey. Everybody they work out. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody is a saint. Mind the way you choose, friend. Good and bad is everywhere. Life is a journey. Everybody they work out. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody is a saint.
What is she doing here?
Namdi, Otzi demands that you talk to me as a friend. You shouldn't let any maiden come between us. I am your friend. That was too childish.
It's fine. It's fine. Sometimes people save their loved ones from making mistakes. At times. See, Amogi loves you so much. I thought what I did was to bring back your attention. Little did I know that it was meaningless. Please. I just want to say I'm sorry. Forgive me. Amogi loves you so much. I am not in love with Amogi. That's the truth.
Jekube. Jekube. Wait, where could she have gone to this early morning?
To Prince's house, of course. Let's go to his house.
Never. I'm not going there. I don't want to set my eyes on the prince ever again. I hate him with so much passion.
But we're not going there to be seen. See, we're going there to... We'll hide as usual, just to find out if she's there. Let's go.
I'm not going. I never want to see the prince again, please.
Like I said, we are not going to be seen. Let's go.
It's fine, let's just go.
Amoge, let's go. Oh,
Jekube!
I don't want to go. I'm going to my house, please. I'm not going.
Amoge, let's go. We must go to the prince's house. Let's go.
This life is a journey. Life is a lesson we learn every day. Sometimes it treats us well. Sometimes it treats us bad. Oh. Life is a journey. Everybody they work out. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody is a saint. Mind the way you choose, friend. Not all love is true love. One day more Life is a journey. Everybody they work out.
Let's stay here and speak about what happens.
Let me go alone. You guys should just wait here. I'm coming. Okay?
Amuche, this was not a plan.
It's your voice. I'm okay. Let me go alone. Wait, relax. Relax. I'm coming. Relax. I'm coming. My friend.
And what are you doing here?
I came to see you, my friend.
I want to be left alone.
My prince, is anything the matter? What's the problem?
I just said I want to be left alone. Is that so difficult for you to understand?
My prince.
Now leave! I said get out!
I told you not to go. Look at the embarrassment you caused yourself.
It was too harsh.
I told you, didn't I know I want you not to go? You know what? Let me go see myself. Why? Where do you want to go? Please, let's go home. Let's go home. Let's
Relax.
go home.
Relax. I'm different. So just let go. Relax. Relax yourself. Relax.
Uchechi.
And you, why are you here without my notifications? Who invited you?
My friends, it's me, Uche. Why are you talking to me like that?
I'm sorry. I want to be left alone right now.
It's okay, my prince. Allow me to just sit with
I
you.
said I want to be left alone.
Just my prince, my prince, you.
That was too harsh. What have we done? I'm okay.
What?
It's your turn to go.
No, I'm not going home. Please, let's go home.
Which one is no, you're not going? It's your turn to go. Is it that we are all going back sad or we are going back happy? So you have to go.
I don't want to go. Please.
I'm okay. You have to go. Which one is you don't want to go? You will go there.
If you go there, the prince I know will land you a hot slap. Do you know I'm the only one he loves so much? Yet he treated me like that. Did you not see it? And you want to go? Who are you? Don't even try it.
Uchechi, stop discouraging her. I'm okay. Go. Go.
What? I said the prince will land you a hot slap. He's very angry. Uchechi, I don't like this thing you're doing. I'm okay. Go. 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 I'm okay. I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Go. I'm okay.
I'm okay. Go.
I don't like this thing you're doing. You're going. You are. I don't like this thing you're doing. Now, it's either we are all going back. She has to go there and taste what
said I was... Ah, my love, I have been so worried about you. Ah, my love. My queen, thank you for coming to visit me. I have been waiting. What would you want me to offer you? Anyways, sit. Sit. What would you want me to offer you? Say anything. Huh? Anything, my love. Anything.
Really? So it's you indeed. I see. Amoge.
What is it? Please, don't start. At first, I didn't want to go. It was Amuche here that forced me. The prince is fooling three of us. He is a coward.
The prince is fooling three of us.
Yes, can't you see? No, can't you see?
I can see. She went there. He chased her out. I went there. He chased me out. You did.
This life is a journey. Life is a lesson we learn every day. Sometimes it treats us well. Sometimes it treats us bad. Life is a journey. Everybody never come. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody is a saint. Mind the way you choose, friend. Not all love is true love. One never came alone. Life is a journey. Everybody never come. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody is a saint. Mind the way you choose, friend. Good and bad is everywhere. Life is a journey. Everybody never come. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody is a saint. Mind the way you choose.
Prince Akagbaka!
You have hurt me. You hurt my spirit and I am so pained. This is the boundary between my kingdom and the forest. I am leaving my kingdom because of you! I lost my virginity to you. You must marry me dead or alive.
My daughter.
This way.
swear.
This path you have chosen will lead you to nothing good. Go home.
I will not go home. I have gone too far, Nne. I have gone too far. The prince took my virginity. He hurt me deeply. I must pay him back. No, 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 no.
Chekube, my child. I can see that your heart is bitter.
My heart is pained. I'm in so much pain. I want you to turn me into a younger, a more beautiful and a slimmer maiden. I want to have the prince at my beck and call. I want him to do anything I want him to do. That is what I want.
No,
Thank you, Mother of Transformation. Thank you. Thank you.
This life is a journey. Life is a lesson we learn every day. Sometimes it treats us well, sometimes it treats us bad. Oh. Life is a journey, everybody they work out. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody is a saint, mind the way you choose friends. Not all love is true love, one never came alone. Life is a journey, everybody they work out. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody is a saint, mind the way you choose friends. Good and bad is everywhere. Life is a journey, everybody they work out. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody knows a saint, mind the
My
way
prince,
you choose friends.
she said she is not coming.
She refused to come with you?
Yes, my prince.
Do you know we sleep and wake up with an enemy every day? Do you know? Manowabu konye madebera mara. The evil people never sleep nor slumber. If it's America, many things are hidden beyond our vision. We are living under the grace of God. If on your mama raya, then namara manamo I can never fall victim. Talk a prince Ujaroga, Amara Namo Musirika. A prince Ujifuta Walubia Manamo Musirika. My God is stronger than them all.
Such a beautiful maiden. My name is Prince Akabaaka. I am the prince of this kingdom. Your face is new. Who are your parents?
Well, my name is Utodiri. I am from Umweze Kingdom. My face is new because I came to visit my uncle.
Utodiri?
Yes, my friend.
That means peace remains. That means my peace will remain in you.
My prince, you flatter me.
That's fine. Who is your uncle?
His name is Ichie Nduka.
Oh, Ichionduka.
Yes, my prince.
Okay. My beautiful one. Can we go to your hut? I can forget where I'm going to.
My prince, don't you have important things to do? Like, where you're going to, is it not important?
No. Because of you, I will forget where I'm going to. Let's go to your hut.
If you insist.
Let's go. My beautiful lady.
Is this your hut?
Yes, it's my hut. Do you have a problem with it?
Oh, no. But I have to leave. Yes, I have to leave right now. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
My prince, at least come inside, sit. Let me give you some water to drink.
No, don't trouble yourself, okay? I have to leave. I will see you tomorrow morning.
My prince! My prince, would you like to drink water? My prince!
Thank the gods. Chikube did not see me at that hut.
Yes, my prince. You are a very smart one.
Hey!
Udodiri. Udodiri is a beautiful maiden.
A beauty! Such a beauty as someone. Finally, I have found a wife. The gods, I thank you for giving me a wife. A beautiful one.
Udodili, a maiden of Umun's kingdom. What a beauty. Such a beautiful maiden. Such a sweet maiden. Gods of my kingdom, thank you. Thank you for showing me my wife.
Dodi, my wife. Okonta.
My friend.
I want you to go check on Chekube for me. It's been 2 days now I haven't set my eyes on her. And I also want you to check on Udodiri. Get more information about that maiden. Okay?
Yes, my prince. Now go.
My wife.
Greetings, Nande.
Greetings.
Greetings, my prince. Oh, greetings, my friend.
And how did you know I wanted to send for you?
Say no more. There is something important I want to discuss with you.
Really?
Yes, come, my friend. My friend, Namdi.
I am serious about this maiden. There is something about this maiden that I've never seen in any other maiden before.
Which is?
Her beauty, her elegance. You need to see this maiden for yourself. She is beautiful. You know what? I want to marry her. Yes. I want to see her people. I want to know her people.
My prince, You are yet to know her.
There is nothing to know about her. I am already in love with her.
In love.
Yes.
I see. Love is driving you up and down. I know you. Once you lay with her, you will leave her just like the way you left others.
No, my friend. In fact, let's go to her hut. Yes.
Go to her hut.
Yes.
Just like that.
So that you will see her for yourself. Let's go.
Let's go and see.
Let's go see her.
Just like that.
Oh my God. Let's go.
My prince, thank the gods you came back, because I became worried. Why did you leave in such a hurry?
Something came up. Something came up. I have a question I want to ask.
What is it, my prince?
I have a friend that lives here. Her name is Chekube.
She's my sister.
Oh.
Yes, she went to our auntie's place.
Oh, that's nice. Huh? Okay. Where's your uncle?
My uncle?
Yes.
He's at the Yamba. Would you like to speak with him?
Yes. I want to speak with him.
My prince! I'll call him.
Is getting married. Is it like you? Huh? Thanks to the gods, so I attended the kid's marriage. Look at the beautiful gift I got from there. Me too. I'm so happy. So happy. Let's go home. This is the best gift so far.
The prince of our land with your newly wife. I wish the God is going to bless you people. Bless you in the morning, bless you in the afternoon, bless you in the evening. The gods of our land will multiply everything you are doing. Both you are going out and coming in. You are blessed. You are blessed. You are going to have children. Children upon children. So, you see, the king is waiting for you. You may go now.
Thank you, Nduka. May the God bless you.
And you too.
May the God bless you.
Remember, you have an elder at home. Yes. I think you understand me.
I will. My love.
Thank you, my love.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. You see, if they are going, if once it is our daughter, something to understand.
You see this place? It shall never be well with him.
He say,
it shall not be well with him. I knew he was never going to marry me. I knew.
How did you know? He loved you more, obviously. I thought you were his medicine, that you can cure his sickness. So...
No, not when he set his eyes on a beautiful woman.
This useless prince is a gigolo. He came from a woman. A woman gave him life, and the woman will take his life.
Hey. As for me, I'm not going to curse him. I leave him for the gods to punish me. May the gods punish
That's
him!
for you. That's for you and the gods. Me personally, hey! This prince will suffer. You see this prince? He will suffer. His generation will suffer for his sins. Mark my words. Stupid man.
My love. My love. I am done with the year ban. Is there any other thing I can do for you?
Go to your chambers and wait for me, for I am coming to ride you like a horse.
Okay, my love. Okay.
Come back! Come. Closer. Come. Why are you sweating like a goat?
My love.
Have you taken your bait?
No, my love. You know, I'm just coming back from the yams.
Oh! All you do is give excuses. Get out! Oh! Get out! Okay. Look at him. A useless prince. A good-for-nothing man. Get out! He's sweating. He wants to affect my skin. Hurry up and bait! Dirty pig!
She's on a mission. She's on a mission. Take it off more. Strong spirits, strong spirits. Try and run away. You can run, but you cannot hide. Strong spirits, strong spirits. Try and run away. You can run, but you cannot hide. Spirit is out, fighting for love, but this love is unusual. If I had the if I had the can you resist the force, the attack, the manipulation? The spirit is fighting to conquer the flesh, to make flesh slave. The spirit is trying to manipulate the body, to make the flesh slave. She's on a mission. Love is unusual. She's on a mission. This love is unusual. She's She's on a mission. Love unusual. She's on a mission. This love is unusual. She's on a mission. She's on a mission. She's on a mission. Take it off from her. Strong spirit, strong spirit. Try and run away. You can run, but you cannot hide. Strong spirit, strong spirit. Try and run away. You can run, but you cannot hide. Spirit is out, fighting for love, but this love is unusual. If I had the if I had the can you resist the force, the attack, the manipulation? The spirit is fighting to conquer the flesh, to make flesh slave. The spirit is trying to manipulate the body, to make the flesh slave. She's on a mission. Love is unusual. She's on a mission. This love is unusual.